Do you want to know how you can log into your xaindex.ai account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your xaindex.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or its browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for xaindex.ai login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Xaindex where you can see your login portal. You can write down your email address in this box over here and then write down your password in this one. After you write down your email address and password, click login and then you can log into your xaindex.ai account. If this is not the site for you, go ahead and click on the third link and then it will lead you to this page where you can see click on login and you will be taken to the login portal of xaindex.ai and you can log in. If this was not the site for you, this is the site for you. So go ahead and click on the first link, write down your email address, password and then click login. This way you can log into your xaindex.ai account successfully. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and register yourself and create a xaindex.ai account for you now. If you have forgotten your password and to reset it, you can click on forgot password and you can reset your password easily. I hope this video about how you can log into your xaindex.ai account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.